Hi, it's Mike from NexGEN Decking here at the Melbourne Home Show. Just want to talk through our products and let you know what we're exhibiting. So we've got a capped composite product from America, made in the US. We've got some fantastic Australian colours, which work really well in the Australian climate, obviously. We use a marine grade stainless steel hidden fixing system, which gives you a nice blemish-free surface on the deck. And the product is guaranteed for 25 years, and our warranty, which is really important, not only do we cover you structurally, so it won't warp or crack or rot or split, but we also cover staining and fading as well, which in the Australian climate is really important, especially the big fading one. You work with the product as if it's normal timber. It cuts and routs exactly like normal timber, just doesn't have any of the maintenance that normal timber requires. We've got 6 great colours in 3 different grain types. With our grains, there's no visible or discernible repeat on the grain, so you can do big areas and it looks like natural timber. Hope you enjoyed a look around our display. If you've got any questions, feel free to jump on our website, www.nexgendecking.com.au, or give us a call on 1300 661 801.